To access the evaluation module, open your browser and go to uplb.app and log in with your UP mail. Then go to the administrator portal. Here you will see the modules that are assigned to you. As Unit APC, click the Faculty Promotion Evaluation unit. Here you will see all the faculty who have submitted their application. If their names are not here, kindly remind them to submit. To view the application of a certain faculty, click View Application. Here you will notice that this is the same layout as the application module. You will also see the points and steps at every level of evaluation, the evaluated items over the total submitted items. You can also see the details of the professor, and you can generate tables 3 and 4. As requested, we added a filter so that you can easily see criteria with submitted, evaluated, or unevaluated items, or show all the criteria in cases when you need to add accomplishments in behalf of the faculty applicant. To see the items for evaluation, select Filter with Submitted Items, then navigate to the specific subcriteria until you see the items for evaluation. Under Action, you will see a green clipboard icon to evaluate, a pen icon to update or edit this accomplishment, and a double-headed arrow to move this accomplishment to other criteria. To evaluate entries, select Filter with Submitted Items, then navigate to the specific subcriteria until you reach the items in that criteria. You can evaluate the items one by one by clicking the clipboard icon beside the item to be evaluated. Here you will see the proof and the details. So use the zoom in and zoom out, and the scroll bars to see the proof clearly. Check the details if it's correct and give a score and click Save. You have now evaluated an item. You can still edit your previous evaluation by clicking the clipboard icon and then change the score. If you are giving a different score from the expected score, the comment field will be required because the app will send a notification email to the faculty applicant which contains this comment. The app will prompt a confirmation that you are giving a score that is different from the expected or the past evaluation score. If you proceed, this will send an email notification to the applicant or the previous level. Click Proceed to confirm your action. You may also give scores by batch by selecting multiple items and clicking the Copy Expected Points. The app will ask a confirmation as this will automatically make the expected score as your evaluation score. Click proceed to confirm. Now, all expected points are copied as evaluated points. You may still edit this one by clicking the clipboard icon. This feature was requested to us and was implemented to give evaluators some flexibility. Again, you may still change any score after doing this. To update or edit an entry in cases when there are wrong information or file supplied by the faculty applicant, click the pen icon beside the item to be edited or to be updated. Change the information. Or file. Then click save. You have now corrected or updated an entry. To move an entry, click the double-headed arrow beside the item to be moved. Then select the criteria on the left where you want to move the item. And then select the proof type and the expected score. Then save. You have now moved an item from one criteria to the other. You could still edit this item or evaluate the item or move it again to a different criteria. Use the combination of updating, moving, and evaluating to polish and evaluate the application accurately. If you are the unit APC chair, you will have access to the review and submit application. This works exactly like in the application module. Click close to go back or click save to submit the application. So just the same, confirm by typing submit. And once you confirm, it will be forwarded to the next level of evaluation.